Hello and welcome to this jewelry making tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to make a pair of earrings using metal charms. I will use these metal charms in the shape of turtles. And I will also use some beads. As findings I will use fishhook ear wires, eye pins and some jump rings. And in order to attach all these pieces together, I will use chain nose pliers, cutting pliers, round nose pliers and my jump ring opener. So if you're ready, let's begin making the first earring. As you can see here, I have this eye pin, so I will make sure the eye pin is straight. So I will use the chain nose pliers to straighten the eye pin, and I will start putting the beads on my eye pin, and I will make sure that they are ordered in a symmetrical manner. So I've used turquoise and coral beads so that the earrings can be worn at the beach. They also have this charm that reminds of water, of the beaches, the sea. So let's continue putting the beads. Like this. So I have added all these beads in order to make some dangle earrings, so longer earrings. And now I will make another loop like this one at this end. In order to make the loop, I will take the pliers and bend the pin. So I will leave at least 1 millimeter between the place where I will bend my pin and the last bead, so that the last bead does not break. So as you can see, I left a bit of room here so that the beads can move like this, and this way I will make sure that this last bead does not break when I bend my pin. So I have bent the pin like this. Now I will cut a bit of the end of my pin with the cutting pliers like this. So I cut this bit of metal from the end of my pin this way, and now I will take the round nose pliers and start rolling the pin so that I create the first loop like this. Now I will stop. So as you can see, the loop is still open. I will take my fishhook ear wire or French ear wire and put it on my loop, my open loop, and now I can close the loop this way, and I have created the first part of my dangle earring. Now, in order to finish the earring, I will need to attach my turtle, the metal charm. To do so, I will take the jump ring and open it using the jump ring opener and the pliers, the chain nose pliers. I will put the charm on my jump ring, and also I will put the jump ring on the pin with my beads, on the eye pin with my beads. And now I can close the jump ring this way, and our first earring is ready. So as you can see, it's a dangle earring, a long earring. So earrings like this make the neck look longer. And let's continue with the second earring. Again, I will take the eye pin and start putting the beads in the same order, symmetrically, so that they look good. This way. Let's continue putting the beads in the same fashion so that they are not different from one another. This way. So as you can see, the two earrings must be identical, so we should check lest any of those beads is not ordered correctly. And again, I will make another loop here. I will take the chain nose pliers and bend the pin to 90 degrees like this. Now again, the pin is a bit long and I will cut the end of my pin like this. Now that I have cut the end of my pin, let's start making the loop using the round nose pliers. Now I have started making the loop. Before I close the loop, I will put the fishhook ear wire. Now I can close the loop this way. Now I have closed the loop and I can add the second charm to my earrings. I will grab the jump ring, open it with the pliers and the jump ring opener. I will take the charm and put the charm on my jump ring this way, and I will take the earring and put the charm and the beads on my jump ring. Now I will close the jump ring this way, and my second earring is also ready. Now let's see the earrings from a closer distance. The finished earrings. So as you can see, these are the finished earrings, and as I've already told you, it's important to be careful that all the beads are arranged symmetrically so that the earrings look identical. So I hope you liked this tutorial and that you know how to make a pair of earrings, dangle earrings like these now.